Morning guys, and welcome back to Project 460. As you can see by the title, I have a crappy news. So let me share this with you. You guys know, if you follow my channel, that now it's been like probably 5 months since I ordered the airbag delete and lift kit for my GX. I guess these days everything is on a back order, so I was fine with the leading time. Even kind of sucks, but hey, what can I do? GX is getting more popular, I guess, for the demand, so it was a waiting time. So when I placed this order, you guys know I lived in my other house, in my old house, and in the meantime I moved. Not paying too much attention to it because pretty much, if you're familiar with the Florida houses, they're pretty much the same. The standard things wise. So not paying any attention, not giving any second thoughts whatsoever. Moved in, and that was the end of it. How's that related to title of the video? Well, I guess the opening for the garage opening in this house is lower than at my old house. And how did I figure all this out? So it's been like maybe 2 weeks. Yeah, I think 2 weeks. I was doing something in the car, and I don't remember what, and I guess accidentally I flicked a little switch that actually raises my air suspension, and this air suspension would go up like 2.73 inches, and I didn't notice that. So pulling the car in the garage, my roof rack hit the garage opening. I pulled the car back up, and I'm like, what the hell is going on? Figure out the switch was that was on the high settings. Look at the dash, blah blah blah. And then kind of hit me. I was like, hold on. Air suspension raises the car that many inches, and I have a lift kit coming, which is the same exactly dimensions as my airbags lift the truck, and that was it. and that's actually on the back. On the front, I mean, it would be even worse. And then kind of hit me. I was like, well, I can't lift my truck. It would not fit in the garage. And living in Florida, I mean, I don't want to keep my truck outside getting baked by the sun, and we have hurricanes and storms and hail and all that crap. And as you know, I keep my cars in the garage. That's what the garage is for. So I have no other option. Then, like I said, it took me like 2 months, 2 weeks before I decided to actually cancel the order that I placed. Because I was thinking maybe I can come up with a solution. And I was thinking of maybe I can do something with this with the trim, but I couldn't because the garage will lose the structure. I did change the settings on my garage. Now this is as far as it goes. I can't put it any to the end, even though looks like you could, but this is how it goes. And I guess the difference between this house and my old house is just this opening. I can't fit through that or this bar. Even though maybe removing this bar would work, I still can't fit to this rubbery piece. Plus another issue that kind of occurred. I don't know if you guys can see. This is like a 2-inch step from the driveway to the garage. The garage is lifted 2 inch, and my old garage was flat with the driveway. So that is my problem. I had to cancel my order for a lift, and couldn't come up with any solutions whatsoever. I'm not, taking off my roof rack. That's not the option either. So yeah, I mean, there is nothing wrong with the air suspension. The air suspension on the GX460s way more reliable than on 470, and it is what it is. Not much I can do about it. Um, um, I guess I would try to come up with you know uh, some other solution sometime in the future or something. I don't know. But as it is, we're gonna ride on a stock suspension. It's capable enough, but I wanted to, do all the mods that I wanted to do and kind of be done with it. So then also there is another problem that might occur. I don't know yet. I have to see. I did order the awning, and I don't know if they're gonna fit neither. Depends of the awning brackets, how high they're gonna sit on my roof. So removing this piece, that's fine. This is where I had my shovel and all that crap. I can, on the other side, awning's gonna be, so I don't need the both sides, and I have these brackets on the both sides. So this is the original bracket with the roof rack. That's where the awning would be attached. I don't know if this would be too high, how high the awning gonna sit on the top. Maybe I can, sometimes you can reverse those brackets and my awning can maybe start like maybe here. That would be just plenty enough. Oh yeah, so a little details I didn't pay attention to because I did not know they're gonna be significant. I mean, the difference in the garage with a 2-inch raised the garage compared to the flat driveway, and this opening, that's totally messed me up. But I thought of it. Took me 2 weeks. I tried. I mean, I was actually thinking about chiseling that part of the garage. I was like, I can't just destroy that concrete, and I gave up on that because you see, I mean, I have plenty of room. In the garage itself, it's just an opening coming through. Not much I can do. I actually, as you can see, I moved that chain, and I mean, I tried to do everything that I actually could to make this happen, but I just couldn't. So I canceled my order. We're not gonna mess with the suspension now yet, till something changes in life. But yeah, well, that was my next big mod. But it's not gonna happen. Instead of that, I am gonna finish protecting the underneath of the truck. I'm already kind of shopping for the whole package to protect the car underneath, all those bash plates, guards, or whatever you want to call them. That's gonna be done instead as a big mod, and then awning, we will see how that is gonna work out. I don't know yet. But I'm trying to kind of rush things up a little bit because I am going on vacation. I'm going to Europe for a month and something. Next month, I think I'm flying on the 19th of May, and I won't be back till like a June. Like a June 25th or 27th. I don't know, I gotta look at my ticket. But anyway, I'm going to Europe, visiting the family, and all that good stuff. So it's not gonna be a video for a month and a half after maybe this video and one more. But besides that, that's it. That's all the news. Another great news. Wasn't my fault, wasn't my negligence. It's just, who thought of that? I did measure everything back in the old house, the height, the opening, how much inches truck gonna be sitting, and in my old house, even if I had my air suspension raised, I was able to come in the garage. In this house, I'm not able to, and nothing I can do about it. So, well, thank you guys for spending your time with me. Um, a little bit depressing, but not much you can do. We're just gonna move on, and I know Toyota probably did a great job. I didn't hear any complaints about the air suspension going bad on a GX 460. I know the 470 had the issues, but 460 doesn't. So yeah, that's all. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.